Hi, I'm Tony with Access Truck Parts. Today we're going to be discussing our new Tempest Water Cannon. You'll notice we got two water cannons up here. This is our previous model and this is our new and improved, and I want to go over the differences and the upgrades that we've made for you. So this new water cannon has a heavier duty motor, and it's necessary because we eliminated the sensors. The new larger motors are necessary, so when you reach your limit of travel, you'll hear the computer. It senses that load, and you can go back the other way. This is all adjustable by this tongue ring right here. You can put your stops anywhere you need them to limit them to 180 degrees, to barely move, straight up and down, whatever you need. The new hard stops takes all the guesswork out of misalignment or misadjustment of the other sensors that we used to have on our old model. Every one of our new versions comes remote ready. On our old version, we had to plug in this remote unit, which worked, but was large and bulky. The new one now is all inside the box, and all you have is this handy dandy remote. All of our new cannons come remote ready, so if you want the option, you can get one of our new remotes. You can control this from outside the truck. You can go straight stream, fog, up, down. If you purchase one of the new remote controls that comes with our new cannon, it also has the oscillation function, which is really neat. Isn't that cool? One of the major differences between these two models is on the previous model you had to mount this control box inside the cab. Put it under the seat, behind the seat, wherever you could find it. Even the remote control receiver had to be mounted inside the cab. With the new model, it's all inside here, and it's mounted to the cannon. So all you have inside the cab is your joystick. Saves space, makes it easy to wire up. One of the other really cool functions of this new water cannon is when you're done with it, you can hold the stow button and it puts itself away and ready for your next use. And then when you're ready to use it, you can deploy it. And it's ready to go. One of the other functions with this remote control too is if you get the optional air over electric air valve, you can also control the on and off switch from here. You can actually turn it on and off from outside the vehicle. These are all the newest features of our Tempest Water Cannon. If you need more information or specs on the water cannon, please visit our website or click the link below, or call one of our sales associates at 602-437-6948.